Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: active conversion tracking, stable budgets, and a performance baseline so you know what success looks like. Next, open the campaign and create a draft. This isolates changes without impacting live traffic. Once done, convert the draft into an experiment and select the traffic split, 50/50 for speed or a smaller percent to reduce risk. Make sure to set start and end dates and label the experiment clearly so results are trackable and audit-ready. You now focus on the how. Change only one variable to isolate impact. For instance, adjust smart bidding versus manual CPC, swap creatives, or test a new landing page. While configuring, use add variations and responsive assets so Google can optimize within your test. Also set device, audience, and location targets to reflect the hypothesis. Make sure to document every tweak in a central sheet, because once traffic flows, you need that record to interpret which change drove performance shifts. You finish by evaluating results with statistical rigor. Review confidence levels, conversion lift, and cost per acquisition differences so you know if the effect is real. If the experiment wins, apply changes to the original campaign and monitor for holdout effects. If it loses, learn and plan a follow-up test. Make sure to consider external factors like seasonality. If things go wrong, for example, low traffic, increase the traffic split, extend the test period, or broaden targeting before abandoning the hypothesis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.